Hey! August is here and it is my favorite month. It is the month my favorite local film festival happens and I'm just mainly in love with the weather. And with a new month comes a new bullet journal theme. For August, I figured I should make an Animal Crossing themed. I finally got Animal Crossing a few days ago. I have been so obsessed with the game that I literally cannot put my Switch down. I recently got my house, my island's museum just opened. I just want to say though that I'm no Amanda Rachley. I have mediocre drawing skills. I just put on whatever works for me and what I feel like drawing, so go easy on me. So with that being said, let's get right in. Alright, voiceover. First, I'm gonna be doing the title page. I sketched everything first with a pencil to make sure everything works out. Over here, I'm just drawing Tommy and Timmy from Nook Inc. Cause I think they're so adorable and they're actually the first ones to greet me when I first moved to my island. I chose the Animal Crossing font for this cause it's just too cute to pass on. Next, I'm doing my monthly calendar spread. This is all very new to me cause normally I would go for 1 or 2 colors for my month's theme. But now, since it's Animal Crossing themed, I figured why not play around with colors? I've also been trying to incorporate more colors in my life in general. I'm slowly learning, but I'll get there. Over here, I'm doing my expense tracker. Next is my mood tracker. For this tracker, I will be shading the boxes green. It's pretty self-explanatory, but I'll be putting a picture somewhere in the frame in case I did a bad job explaining it. On the next page is my books, films, and shows section. Over here, I list down the books I've read for the month, all the films I've watched, and the series I finished. Instead of writing down the words books, films, and series, I decided it would be cute if I just drew them instead of writing them down. On the lower half of the page is my newest addition to my bullet journal, my YouTube dump section. Over here, I list down video ideas I can do for YouTube. Now, I'm just decorating the sides of the page with a nuke leaf. I think it's very cute. Now on to the next page. This is my monthly playlist. As someone who listens to music a lot, I find that I go through songs and remember specific details about how I was feeling while I was listening to it, or what was happening in my life when I came across any particular song. I find that listing it down helps me remember instantly what I want to remember, and it's just nice to look back and think, wow, I've been listening to the same playlist for 7 fucking months now. Last but not the least is my weekly spread. I just drew little blue circles for the dates and a little yellow line for the day itself. And there you have it, my Animal Crossing bullet journal theme. I had so much fun doing this, and I think playing around with colors really does help brighten my mood. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I hope you guys are staying safe and sane and being well informed. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next week. Bye!